Are you ready for 60 seconds with Steve-O?
Sure, fire away.
When did you buy your MDC?
Earlier this year, probably about March.
And what do you love about it?
Oh, just we're able to take it everywhere. It really suits us. We've sort of come from a camping background, so for us this is a real upgrade.
What do you love most about it? What are the features that you really like?
I like that you can just pull up, it sits in its own footprint, and you can just 3 poles and you're away.
Do you have any plans to modify it?
We've already done a couple of modifications.
What have you done?
We've added the yellow strip on the LEDs.
Oh, yeah.
To stop the bugs.
Yeah, just for those of you that don't know, yellow lights don't attract the bugs. What's your favourite campsite?
At the moment, we really like Farina Station.
Where's Farina Station?
Just south of Maree. They're really friendly, a good campsite set up, especially with a lot of people this time of year coming to the bash. So,
yeah. Is it kid friendly?
Yeah, definitely. Hot showers, $5 a night.
Can you catch fish there?
No, but they do have a bakery.
Time's up. Thanks for playing.
No worries.